Hello, good morning. All are welcome for my Industrial Safety and Awareness program. You may be knowing me. I am Sadashivan. Last so many days I used to come here for giving you a safety oriented class. Already I have given you 10 videos on general safety awareness, then 20 videos on basic fire safety awareness, then again 20 videos on electrical safety awareness. So now we have come to Industrial Safety and Awareness program. Here also I have given you 6 videos. Last Friday I have given you a videos on how OSHA 18,000 system is implemented. So today we will be discussing with a new subject. What is PSM as per OSHA? PSM. So this is the chapter today. This is the subject which we are going to talk on today. So before going to the class, I request everybody, if you like this class, please share it and subscribe it. And also this is a continuous education and training program which I have planned. This will be definitely helping not only safety people, but it can be also a good idea about the other process people also, or the industrial people, those who are working in the industry. Okay, let us understand. What is PSM as per OSHA? PSM means Process Safety Management. And OSHA, you already know it, Occupational Safety and Health Administration in the US system, USA, its regulation has passed it. Earlier, the OSHA mainly look after for the safety, industrial safety only. But when the industries are developed, so many chemical industries has come there, so many processes developed there, and industrial accidents are also occurring there. And you may be knowing that Bhopal gas tragedy, there is a 10,000 people has lost their life because of some problem with the safety. So in order to improve the safety of chemical industry, not only chemical industry, process industry, the OSHA has introduced a new system that is called Process Safety Management. This is applicable for hazardous materials, mainly major hazardous materials handling industry. How to handle the equipment, how to manufacture, transportation, services, all this topic has been covered in order to minimize any type of hazardous occupation. Not of the safety, chemical safety is the main important for this type of PSM system. So here already 14 elements are there, and these elements we want to discuss today. Why these elements are introduced there in the system, and what is this element? Let us understand. So PSM is a process safety management. As per OSHA, a guidelines is given for 14 elements, minimum basic 14 elements, that topic which we are going to discuss today. The first one is employee participation. Employee, that means for safety program, elements of a PSM. First one is employee participation. So any process industries, that employees should also be included for any type of safety program there, because they are working there. That's why employees participation is there. Next one is a process safety information. Whatever the process there, what are the safety requirement is there, that type of information we have to give. What are the hazardous materials we are giving, such type of process safety information must be provided. Next, process hazard analysis. Process hazard. What are the hazards to be can occur there? That analysis must be done, and that should be indicated in this process safety management. So, process hazard analysis. Next one is operating procedure. How the plant and system can be operated in a safe way. There may be, if any operation mistake is there, then catastrophic can happen there. So special instruction material, safe operating procedure or operating procedure. Next one is a training of employees. So whenever we are talking for the safety, as all of you know that training is most important thing. Here also, the employees training is must be there for this PSM technique. That is PSM emblem. Fifth one is a training of employee. Now, sixth one is a contractor safety. In a large organization, now they not only the inside people are working, there are some people working in the contractors. So their safety also has to be seen that because they are working in the organization, the process can get affected. So many other people also, the contractor safety must be there. Then pre-startup and review. Suppose any new machineries or new process has started there. That thing how it is to be started. What are the procedure for starting a pre-startup review? And it should be reviewed frequently. Where any elimination is there, but in safety, that point we have to be covered there. That is a pre-startup and review. Next one is a mechanical integrity. Mechanical integrity, what does it mean actually, mechanical integrity? This is one, so we can say that a process integrity is also, as an example, I can just tell you. Suppose one tank is there. In tank, some chemical is coming and filling there. And at the same time, some of the output is also taken to the other process. Suppose due to any reason, the output material is going to be get jammed or the process has just stopped it there. Then actually what we have to do is the incoming materials. And the incoming side also has to be stop it there. In case if it has not stopped that incoming motor or pump or another thing, what will happen? The chemicals or anything will come to the tank and the tank will be overflow. So in order to avoid such a thing, what we have to do, as soon as the output has been stopped there, that input signal also should be given, input material also to be stopped. Such type of, this is just a simple example only. There are several type of example in large industries and processes there. So such type of integrity we have to be created in the system itself, so that any catastrophic effect can be avoided. That is the mechanical integrity. Then another one is a hot work permit. What do you mean by hot work? Is cutting, welding, gas cutting, etc. So such type of building, because many chemicals are there, there is a chances of fire can occur there. So if anybody want to work with the auto, they should give a permit in the system. A systematic permit method is there. That auto should be in a permit system. Then one is management of change. What do you mean by management of change? This is not a physical management. The change can be happen. Maybe in the process change can be happen. Maybe the material which has been given feeding has not available. So substitute of some other material we have provided there. So then some changes occur there. That change we have to be incorporated in the system. So what are the going to be system is going to be affected with that change. So that is the meaning of the management of change. Then another one is incident investigation. What do you mean by incident investigation? Previously we used only as accident. Incident means it is not an accident, but suppose somewhere it is going to overflow. That is an incident. It has not happened because of that incident. Nothing has happened there, but it can happen. It can happen. Such type of incidents, and we have to identify, and that also has to be investigation. Investigation should be done. Then emergency planning must be done in case of any emergency occurrence of excess release of a gas or any the chemicals and other thing. What you have to do, how the people are going to be affected, how many people has to be, what are the thing has to be done, like emergency procedure and emergency equipment must be available there. Emergency planning. Then any complaints audit frequently when we are doing the any complaints is there, that also we have to be consider that the system. Then last one is a trade secret. Or trade secret means every industries are having their own trade secrets are there. That we are not asking to give up to everything, but that you can have a trade secret with you only. But you should not be get any harmful to others. That is the thing. So these are the process safety management system elements, 14 elements. One, again I'm just repeating, process elements of PSM, employees participation, process safety information, process hazard analysis, operating procedure, training to employees, and another one is contractor safety, then pre-startup and review. Next one is mechanical integrity, and ninth one is port work permit, 10th one is management of change, 11th is incident investigation, 12th is emergency planning, 13th is a compliance audit, and 4th one is the trade secret. Oh, right. So these are the basics process safety management rules regulation are to be adopted by any industry. Okay, for the time being, I am just stopping. If you like the class, please share it and subscribe it. Okay, okay, I will be coming with another video. Wishing you all of you a good day. Good day means happy, healthy, and safe day. Thank you to everybody. Thanks.